I don't know. We'll have to launch a full-scale investigation.
What does that mean?
We're gonna have to figure it out.
Oh my God, that's gonna take more policemen.
Okay, put them back in the spot. And then I'll come back and bring them back. What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're trying to see if there's a guy in here.
There is a guy. I saw him.
Oh.
And he escaped.
He escaped? Let me
Yep.
check in here.
He was in there now, and then he ran away out the door.
Oh no! Let's throw this in there. Ugh.
Okay,
Oh
come
no.
back.
Wow, what a nice toy that was to get.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, there goes the bad boy. He's gonna fly away.
No, this is not that way. This is...
They're taking him to the hospital.
Taking him to the hospital. Oh, okay.
Good job.
Wow.
Thank you.
What are you thinking, Doctor?
Ow, I broke my leg.
Is he okay?
His leg is hurt.
His wings hurt? Are we gonna be able to save him?
No, his engine broke.
Oh no. Do we have to get a new engine?
Uh-oh, I guess he didn't want oatmeal.
Get police car.
Yeah, I gotta go get a new engine.
Oh, I'm gonna get another new engine because not my engine.
He doesn't want to eat?
Breaking down.
Wow.
It's breaking
I
down.
got you a new engine.
What?
You want a new engine too?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, hold on.
Wait, come back here. Do you need any new engine?
I just got myself one.